Just arrived at the all-new Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2014 Ram 1500 Express quad cab pickup. On the outside of this Ram 1500, we have heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch receiver, and fully automatic headlights. On the inside, we have comfortable cloth seating for 6, illuminated entry, and cruise control. The 5-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This 2014 Ram 1500 has less than 76,000 miles and it comes with an AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.